Espresso is the fundamental ingredient to every coffee beverage we love, so it has to be good. With your Beanz subscription, you're getting incredible coffees with every delivery, and they need to be dialed in to get the best flavors possible. Hi, I'm from Veneziano. At Veneziano, we have been roasting and serving you every day since 2002. Today, we're going to dial in Elevate on the Barista Touch Impress. Now, assuming you've already placed a single wall double basket in the portafilter, and you selected the double shot button, then you're ready to brew with me. Here's what my bar setup looks like from accessories to placement. Pause here if you need a minute to set yourself up for the brew along. At minimum, grab a dry towel. Alright, that little bag in the middle is Elevate, and it's also in this hopper. Elevate has a smooth and rich body with notes of milk chocolate, caramel, and a honey finish. You are going to love this coffee. The best part about this machine is barista guidance, and that's a great place to start as the machine will walk you through its dial-in process. Today, I'm going to take you through the dial-in process step by step. Take note anytime you are making a coffee. The machine may provide on-screen guidance to add more coffee or change your grind. We recommend to follow these prompts. Let's begin. My grinder is set at a 15 and yours may be different, and that's okay. Let's start right where we are. Remove the portafilter and dry and wipe it out. Insert the portafilter into the grinder cradle and press the portafilter icon button to grind. I also like to purge the group head and refresh the system for 2 short seconds while grinding coffee. My brew recipe is 18 grams of freshly ground coffee. We are going for 27 to 30 seconds of brew time, and that will yield 32 grams of espresso. Alright, press down on the temp lever all the way until the screen registers. The green tick will indicate that you have the correct dose amount. If you don't get a green tick, follow the on-screen prompt to either add more coffee or remove some coffee. Let's do one more tamp to polish. Check this out. Just like that, 18 grams, that's pretty cool. Wipe any excess coffee from the basket just so you can ensure that watertight seal. Insert the portafilter into the group head and press the icon to start. Grab your favorite cup, place it under those spouts. The machine starts at a low pressure and water is moved through the puck up to a high pressure. This is called pre-infusion. This will result in a slow saturation of the bed and a full extraction of sugars, acids, omegas and lipids that make up a delicious espresso. And there it is. That's the shot I was looking for. Elevate has a smooth and rich body with notes of milk chocolate, caramel and a honey finish. Did your shot look and taste like mine? The number one goal of adjusting the grind is to either slow down or speed up the flow of water running through the coffee bed. Don't be afraid of this step. We can always adjust it back. If the water flow is too fast, the coffee may taste sour. Adjust the grind a couple of notches finer to slow down the water through the bed. If the flow is too slow, the coffee could taste bitter or roasty. Adjust the grind a couple of notches coarser to speed up the flow of water through the coffee bed. Over time, all these steps will become second nature and you'll go from having good coffee sometimes to great coffee every time. Explore all our curated specialty coffees at beanz.com by Breville.